Okay, let's take a look here at the skills demonstrated in Google Certified Educator Level 2, Google Groups Scenario 2. In this scenario, Rosa is one of the leaders of her school's tech leadership team. And she's using Google Groups as a kind of a help desk type deal, where where students can put in requests for a variety of tech issues, and then teachers and students alike who may have the answer can reply and give help to those in need. So what we have here is that Rosa has created Google Groups, the student tech team group here, and in this case, in this mock scenario, all students have been added to this group and are able to see these requests. So, for example, here, we're going to go over to one of the students who has been invited to, who is a part of this group here. In this case, this would be Nadia. So Nadia opens up. She has a request here for the tech team. So she would start a new conversation here. And she may say something like this: uh, Chromebook freezes with screencast extension. So that's going to be your problem. Chromebook freezes, and I use my screencast extension. Is anyone else having this problem, or just me? Can anyone help? Okay, post the message. I'm going to post to the group. If I go back over to the leader of this, Rosa, do a quick little refresh here. We can see that there's a request here from Nadia. And the way this could work, here we have Raphael, who's also a student here who's part of this group. Can take a look here, see that Nadia is having an issue here. He could reply to this. He can reply just to her or to everyone, so anyone could see his advice. So in this case, we'll keep like a forum, so we'll use reply all. So Raphael's going to reply to Nadia's request here and say, "Have you tried restarting your Chromebook? Have you seen any alerts for Chrome updates? Both of those worked, and I had a similar problem last week." Post. And if we can head over back over to the teacher's version of here with Rosa. So, so anyone from the teacher end can see that Nadia put a request. Raphael offered some support there, and any student who needs support can come look in the forum, see what questions have been asked, and then see what potential answers have been given. So this would be a way that you can use Google Groups to have a kind of a discussion forum. It can be about anything, whether it's technology, it could be about books, current events, news, sports, whatever, wherever your imagination takes you. And again, this can be opened up to the public as well. You can open it up to the community as a whole. That could be a dangerous thing if you keep it open to too many people. But if you want to bring in parents as well, that is also an option as well. In your settings, you can set this up to be not just at your school, but beyond if you get permission from those who are higher up in your district.